Oh, hey, whoa, vegetables!
Oh, damn. Instant.
पानी नहीं डाला क्या?
It's only salty, that's it. The flavor should be. There's no taste.
Chop करके.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Lunch Break. So today we're trying cup noodles. We are not allowed to say ramen.
Cup noodles.
Okay.
They are in a cup. All you have to do is put some hot water, and apparently edible food is ready in 2 minutes.
Is it really edible though?
I see spicy, I see ready to eat, I see pre-packaged, I see preservatives in a box, and
super
potentially not
unhealthy
such a
food.
great feeling tomorrow.
Yeah, I know.
अरे मेरे को क्या मालूम.
So this stuff really constipates you, by the way.
And so much salt that it's not good for you.
We will start with very cute looking,
Yeah.
pulled up hot chicken carbonara flavored ramen. I'm gonna give it a good mix, okay? Oh shit, ये तो mix ही नहीं हो रहा है यार. ये तो पानी नहीं डाला क्या? Okay, so this one soaks up a lot of water. Okay.
Okay. I'm excited, but this doesn't not look
I feel like I was
promising.
more excited before we put the masala in it.
Yeah,
है ना?
it looked better. First of all, the noodles are not cooked. The hot water did not do the job.
I think the masala is very sweet. So this is a noodle in a bowl
But you
with
know-
a meetha sauce.
How much do you rate it?
Rating. It's not spicy, even though it shows me like fire. 8 for a cute packaging, but I'm going to give it a 2 for its flavor.
I mean, the flavor does not taste good at all, and there's a lot of water.
What is your rating?
I will say it's like 2.
Noodles, bhigi masala. No palm oil, preservatives or MSG. How are you making packet food with 0 preservatives?
Oh.
Shit, ये तो बेचारा. This has little bits of corn. Oh, it's
Oh, yeah.
oil, bro.
But it's chili oil, so you need it.
What do you mean? Chili oil is not really chili oil. It's just oil with coloring in it.
No, it has flavor.
Okay.
It's Maggi.
Smells also like Maggi.
Little bit. Try it.
Good man. I like the corn in it. Food Pharma, hi. Can you please check if this brand is really no preservatives, no palm oil, no MSG? Which I'm for you, my friend. कितना देना है?
I will give it 1.
1 on 10, 1 on maybe same.
Same.
This one is promising because I know this is like a crowd favorite. Nongshim Shin Ramyeon. Kappo noodle ready to eat in 5 minutes.
Instant.
Oh, hey, whoa, vegetables!
Oh, damn.
इसमें है mushroom
Green onions,
Okay.
carrot.
and some spicy stuff.
वो क्या करता है रे?
It's singing.
Doesn't have a lot of color. Smells like ramen.
It's like, chalo, if I really have to eat something that is cooked with just hot water in 5 minutes, this does serve the purpose of giving you a good meal. What would you rate it?
For cup noodles, I'll give it a good 8.
I was just gonna say it. Oh, matching. 8 on 10. Next up,
Wow, hot and spicy Korean chicken ramen with real chunks of chicken.
dehydrated chicken that has been brought back to life with hot water. Not the protein your trainer tells you to
Yeah.
eat in the gym.
How's the chicken chunk? It doesn't have a lot of flavor. It's only salty, that's it.
Oh, so okay, I'll slurp it.
The flavor should be... How much do you rate it?
I rate wow, cancelled noodles -5 on it.
-5.
-5.
I will say -2.
By people, it's a Manchurian, bro. Who bought this rubbish? Oh, I want the Manchurian sauce. I hate Manchurian. You know that Manchurian is not really a dish. It's a made in India rubbish. So basically, तुम्हारी मम्मी की किचन में जो भी बचा था, वो सारा चॉप करके डीप फ्राई करके गोला बना के डाल दिया एक ग्रेवी में. And that's equal to Manchurian. Hey, it's not long. It's छोटू. Okay, fine, I'll try.
You're gonna throw it out. I don't want to try. I really don't want to try this.
और यार उसको मैगी लेके आओ यार.
Oh my god. And the noodles quality is also so bad.
Guys, I thought that was a -5, but this is really
Minus
a
10.
-5. They have gotten us today the Chili chow kappa noodles. Oh, so why is it not looking like it's edible?
There's no color. There's nothing.
But you have to try because you love Maggi.
I mean, I like Maggi.
Smells like Maggi.
So yum. There's no taste.
Yeah. They have managed to create a product with absolutely no
Flavor. This is zero for me.
Zero. Because it's not gone negative.
Yeah.
It's just got nothing.
It
No.
just got nothing.
Nothing.
The noodles are okay.
It's texturally
Yeah.
fine, but flavor-wise, it's
Zero. Master chow. It's sweet and spicy flavor. Fried garlic. This is fried garlic. Okay. Oh. It looks like ramen. There you go.
And now we are adding some.
Oh, this looks nice.
Now it's a sauce.
That's a
Finally,
sauce.
it's a sauce.
That's the sauce. It's sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet and spicy, as the flavor says.
At least it says. It's not lying. I like
That's
the
nice.
heat.
That's
I like the
spice.
tanginess. I don't like the garlic on top because it's so stale.
I would honestly say, in the mix of a lot of the stuff we tried, I don't mind this. I like the flavors. I would give this one, I think maybe like a 4.5.
Yeah,
for
4
the
or 5.
flavor. But if we'd gotten it right with how long we cooked it for, it could potentially be maybe a 6.5 to a 7 for me. Oh! And now we have the OG cup
OG.
noodles. Now what is this, bro?
Italian?
क्या धोखे पे धोखा कर रहे हो आप?
Italian कौन लेकर आया है?
Okay, you all know this is the OG cup noodles, but we are today trying an Italian delight which has
Vegetables.
some really like spicy looking stuff. So this is a interesting learning that the OG cup noodle actually has to be eaten in a bowl because you can't get it
Yeah.
with extreme flavors.
It is
very
giving.
spicy.
What?
For me, it's not
There's no
my-
spicy.
I got lots of spicy.
Not at all. I can only get oregano.
How is the rating though?
I mean, this was not a hit for me.
I'll give it a 4. Yeah, I'll give it a 4.
Yeah. The masala.
Bro, so much masala game.
Oh yay.
There's a solid amount of masala game. It's got color, it's got texture, it's got crunch.
Smells great. I will always be biased towards Viva.
It's the thinnest noodle.
It's dry because we have kept it out for a while. But otherwise, the flavor bags.
I really like the YY one a lot. Like I feel like it just gave you what you wanted. So I would give this an 8.5.
I like Viva. I'm biased towards Viva. I will give it a good.
YY girls who are giving this YY an 8.5.
Yeah.
That's crunchy. This is good. So this is not looking that spicy, but this is the non-chin.
Red Chin Super Spicy noodles.
नहीं है कोई मिर्ची नहीं है भाई.
The noodles also don't have the same taste.
It may be slightly lower in the heat than that, but this is not a spice challenge from any standard.
If you're having it for the spice challenge, don't have it.
So go for this one, go for the YY. Don't bother with this because it's not giving you what it's meant to give. So by factor of it being a super spicy capo situation, I would give it like a 4.5, 5 on 10 because it's decent, but this is way better. This has been fun. We tried 10 different types of ramen today. And drum roll, what was your favorite?
I think my favorite was Nongshim Shim Ramyun.
And I think the second one for me was
YY.
probably the YY. Those were our top choices. So if
Yeah.
you really instant khana, eat one of these. Otherwise, please go and make a proper meal for yourself.
I mean, you can make normal ramen also.
This was our take on how you can cook food with just garam pani in a kettle, which is really pretty convenient, right? So tell us what you guys think about these products. Tell us what cup noodles you think we missed and what you want us to try in the next episode of
Lunch break.
Like, share, subscribe, follow our channel for more such
Kanti
entertaining
bajao.
content and rubbish that they will make me eat.
Ding, 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 ding.